Hello everyone, my name is Sajin Gurung.
And my name is Nivan Tabang. And today we will be talking about 4 shapes. They are the equilateral triangle, the rhombus, parallelogram, and the trapezium. So we can make the equilateral triangle by taking a strip of paper and folding it in half. However, we should not press it all the way down. As you can see here, we should only press about this much of the equilateral triangle. So in order to make it, we can take a corner of this and fold it to ensure that the other corner stays sharp. Then we can just continue folding it so that it makes an equilateral triangle. At the end of the triangle, we can tear off the excess paper using our hands, just like this. And now we have an equilateral triangle.
So as you can see, this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is equal on all sides and it has 3 sides. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal angles which are 60 degrees each, and they all sum up to 180 degrees. To find the area of an equilateral triangle, you must do the process of square root under 3 by 4 a square, which a represents the equal sides of a triangle. And to find the perimeter of a triangle, we must do 3a, or L1 plus L2 plus L3. Now if you unfold this by one part, this becomes a rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides and it is a 4-sided pointy shape. It looks like a parallelogram or a diamond when it's put in this position, but it's just a rhombus. To find the area of a rhombus, you must do 1/2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, and all diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other perpendicularly. And to find the perimeter, we must do L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4, or sum of all sides.
A trapezium has a pair of parallel lines, as you can see. The lines that join these parallel lines are known as its legs. We can find the shape's area by using the formula 1/2 multiplied by its height, bracket opening L1 plus L2. As you can see, this shape has one line of symmetry. So the next shape we have here is the parallelogram. It is made up of 2 parallel lines, as you can see. The area of this shape is base times its height. The perimeter of the shape is the sum of all of its sides. As you can see, the opposite angles of the shape are all equal.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more educational videos.